You finished your MBBS in Russia. 6 years of hard work done. Now what? This is the question that most students ask. And you know what? The answer to this is more exciting than you can think. So now let's talk about what your career can look like after MBBS in Russia. Path number 1, practice in India. How to do that? You have to clear FMG or next exam, which is your licensing exam. You get registered with NMC. Step number 2, you have to complete 1 year of internship in India after clearing your exam. Step number 3, you become a licensed doctor in India and then you can practice in India. India में doctors की ज़रूरत हमेशा रहेगी. Path number 2, you can appear for specialist exam in India after clearing your licensing exam. This opens the door to specialization. You can become a pediatrician, a dermatologist, a cardiologist, an orthopedic, and many more. Specialists in India are in very high demand. And you know what? The foundation that you built in Russia during your MBBS will help you clear this exam easily. एक strong MBBS foundation एक strong specialist बनाता है. Path number 3. This excites me the most. Why? Because you can practice anywhere in any country after completing your MBBS in Russia. How? You can clear the exams of that respective country like USMLE for USA, you can clear PLAB for UK, you can clear AMC for Australia, and also there are exam Canada. So एक degree हर एक country में आपको एक specialist doctor बना सकती है. And beyond clinical practice, you can go into medical research, academic medicine, public health, teaching. So एक डिग्री जो आपके लिए बहुत सारे careers के spectrums open कर देती है, आपको limit होके नहीं रहना पड़ता. I want all students to understand this. MBBS Russia is not a backup plan. It's a genuine career opportunity. You know, this is the most respected profession in the whole world. बस एक बार हिम्मत चाहिए इस पाथ पे जाने की. The training is real. The opportunities are real, everything is real, and you will become a real doctor. If you want to know the full career roadmap after MBBS in Russia, you can contact us via DM, or you can also contact us via link in bio for free counseling.